Hi everyone, my name is Mauro Spicci. I'm the Director of the Italian Curriculum at Globeducate, Italy, and I have the great pleasure to share with you the slides that we used yesterday here at Rome International School for a workshop on Paritaria and international education. It was a great workshop, full of energy, with a lot of ideas and exciting topics to reflect upon. I would like to share the slides with you to give you the opportunity to understand what it means to provide your child with a unique blend of paritaria education and an international education. The slides will guide you through the beauties of the paritaria model and of the international model, and that will also give you some opportunities to reflect more about how we can measure the impact of learning and what it means to promote excellence in education. I hope that you will enjoy the slides, and I really hope that I will have the opportunity to see you in person next time for the next workshop that we are currently organizing here at Rome International School. Thank you very much e arrivederci.